Here's a few signs that your tomato plants are done for the season and ready to be pulled out of your garden.
Your first sign, your tomato plants haven't produced fruit in a long time. These were planted in late spring and they haven't produced any tomatoes in about a month. Second sign is that they're starting to look a little dried out and scraggly. And lastly, your tomato plants haven't produced a lot of new growth in a while.
So when it's time to replace your tomato plants, you have two options. You can either pull the entire plant out of the ground, leaving the cage, if you are using one, or you can cut the plant at its base, right here, and allow the roots to then decompose in the soil, helping bring up the soil's quality. Since we're going to be replanting new plants in these garden grid squares, where our tomatoes currently are, we're going to go with the first option and pull the entire plant out of the garden grid.